Safari Download Manager on iPhone lets you access files anytime after you download them from the internet. These files can be PDFs, audio, videos, or documents. First, check and verify your Safari default download location in the Files app. Open the Settings app and scroll to Apps. Search for the Safari app, then scroll down a little and tap on Downloads under this section. On my iPhone, the setting is Store Downloaded Files on iCloud Drive, not under on my iPhone. To check and find downloaded files on iPhone, launch the Files app. Under the Browse tab, look for iCloud Drive and open the Downloads folder. If your iPhone is set to On My iPhone, then you should check under the On My iPhone location in the Files app. By default, downloaded items may be removed after 1 day. If you can't see files in the Files app and this option is enabled, I recommend selecting manually. That's it. So, your iPhone's download manager is located inside the Files app. Check either iCloud Drive or On My iPhone, open the Downloads folder, and view your recently downloaded files. If you have any questions, then comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.